I've got a letter for you.
Oh, thanks, Bluey. What have we got here?
It's a drumstick.
Oh, you beauty!